One of the ways which you can navigate through macOS is by using the various shortcut keys which are available to you. Let me show you what that actually means, right? So if I go into my system preferences, scroll down to keyboard, you can see there is a keyboard shortcuts item right here. Now if I click on that, you can see that we've got like turn dock hiding on and off, right? So if I do that key combination, oh, here you see, the dock just disappeared. If I do it again, it comes back. We also have display brightness. We have showing mission control, so like control and up will show mission control. Application windows, yep, I'll do that. Show desktop, be F11. And if I want to do a quick note, I can do that, okay, which is the function key and Q. Alright, so there's those. There's more things here. Some of these aren't active. You can tell why they're not like they're unchecked. Screenshots, you can see we actually have various different things we can do for screenshot here. The one I currently use for taking videos of the computer is this Shift Command 5, which is very cool. We have presenter overlay, various services. In fact, I don't know if any of these are going to be... Oh, well, yeah, okay. So you can search with Google by doing Shift Command L, apparently, which isn't working. So there you go. Spotlight to show that, okay, and so forth. So there's a lot of shortcuts available here. Now, what I like to use, because there's so many of these shortcuts to remember, is I like to use an application called CheatSheet. And you can go onto Softonic and look up CheatSheet and you'll find it there. Unfortunately, the initial or the original website doesn't exist anymore, but the application still works if you download it. So make sure you go on there if you want to get it and download it. Once you've run that installer, all you need to do is run the application, and then once that's done, hold down the command key, and once you've done that for a couple of seconds, you'll get a screen which looks like this. Okay, so now I know that from inside Finder, if I do command and comma, it's going to open the settings or the preferences for that. Okay, if I wanted to, let's see, show view options, J, yep, okay, cool. If I want to connect to a server, I can just enter the server address in there and use those commands. So that's awesome. But that's not all for this, okay? If I were to open, let's say, system settings, okay? And I held down the command button. Notice that now the different things change depending on which application I have open. Alright? So if I go to App Store and hold down this button, it will now tell me all the different things used for the App Store. Okay? So this changes bit by bit. The screen changes entirely based on what it is that I have open at the time. Right, and then just to give you one more idea here, there's us from a party this last week, or wedding. Hold down the command key inside Safari, and lo and behold, there's all the different shortcuts that I can use for inside Safari. So, very cool. Alright, hope you find that useful, and please go and download CheatSheet if you are so inclined. See you next time.